I'm Sam Eves. I'm the Cardiff Local Nature Partnership Coordinator. I'm here today to tell you about the Cardiff Green Walls project. We're here in the lovely garden of Dusty Forge on Cowbridge Road West in Ely, Cardiff. We have funding through Welsh Government's Local Places for Nature programme to find some council buildings in areas where there's a busy road or air quality in general isn't great, so we can green up the area and hopefully to tackle some of the air quality problems at the same time. So what are green walls? Well, the green walls that we've installed here at Dusty Forge are large containers with ivy screens. The ivy is an evergreen plant, so it's there all year round to provide food and shelter for insects, and as well as providing a year-round habitat. Studies have shown that ivy can absorb particles of pollution from traffic and such like. So effectively you're creating a barrier between the busy road outside here and the Dusty Forge Community Centre.
Hi, I'm Meg. I'm from the Wildlife Trust of South and West Wales, and we've been really happy to get involved with this project. The Wildlife Trust has helped to install the walls at the Dusty Forge, and we've advised on additional planting to make them really attractive for pollinating insects. We're also going to help get the community involved in the Green Wall project, so they're going to help us monitor these walls and see if they're actually attracting the wildlife that we think they will. It's been really great to be a partner in this project that values both people and wildlife, and we'd love to see more projects like this in the future in Cardiff.